Whisper, India's largest sanitary napkin brand by P&G India, has been on a mission to educate girls on period health and hygiene. Recently, Whisper partnered with P&G Shiksha, P&G India's CSR initiative, to celebrate 20 years of impact driven by the initiative. For this, P&G Shiksha and Whisper came together to conduct a special menstrual health and hygiene awareness session for volunteer trainers of Pratham Education Foundation. These volunteer trainers will in turn educate end-mile on-ground Pratham volunteers to create a first line of support for children across the country. For generations, myths have shaped the way we talk or don't talk about periods. Today, we're rewriting the narrative.
ये जो खून निकलता है कैसा है, तो फिर हम उसको धीरे धीरे उनको अवेयर करते हुए उसके बारे में भी बताते थे कि आपको ये डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ये अब ख़राब खून नहीं है, क्योंकि इसी से ही जो बेबी फ्यूचर में आता है उसको ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है।
पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी हो आप, which is something that I truly believe every girl in India should know. This will have a big impact on her confidence. 1 out of 5 girls in India today drops out of school due to poor menstrual hygiene because she does not have the clear information or the right methods to manage menstrual hygiene. This is something that is unfortunate and definitely impacts the girl throughout her lifetime. Additionally, another important stat is that more than 90% of women in India still do not have clarity on the right way to use sanitary products. So this program hopefully can get them access and get them information to use the right product for their well-being.
With the right information, girls stay in school. They thrive, they dream, they succeed.
I think the work that we do at P&G at Whisper, if we can amplify and have the Pratham team also take it to the next level, this will have a multiplier effect. This will reach thousands and lakhs of girls across the country. So I'm sure this can lead to a much broader awareness of menstrual hygiene in the country, which can really help the young girls.
As Pratham, we always try to work in a community extremely holistically. And I think while we focus a lot on children, it is also important that we focus on mothers and volunteers who truly help us build out this education journey for children. A volunteer, if they are trained in menstrual health awareness, it becomes a go-to stop for a child to then learn more about it, and to have a space that gives you safe and accurate information is something that I think will really add on.
The journey has just begun. These trainers will now carry the message forward, ensuring no girl is left behind.
पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी हैं आप, मतलब वो गाना सुन के रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं। तो मैं बहुत थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी कि इस टाइप के वीडियोस बने, ताकि जो मतलब शर्म है बच्चों में या कहीं पे भी वो दूर।
With every session, every conversation, we're shaping a future where knowledge replaces stigma and confidence replaces fear.